Most of you are capable of doing much more, but you are not choosing to do it. 14 years before, I shouldn't have said this because I was on your side. I was a guy like you. Okay. But as I joined as a senior engineer and I'm leaving as a manager, the one thought which I leave with it, the growth is your choice. Okay. You know, people wait for something to hold the hand, guide me. Okay, someone please help me or this one. But it's you who has to come up and help yourself first. Unless until you do, no one is going to feed you. That's what you need to be on the first. Start with you, okay? No one else. Second thing which I came on experience with is your time and energy. Okay. You see your life, how your life is. That tells you how you are spending your time and energy. There is no a better mirror than life. What life you are living, that's you are spending your time and energy. In recent times, I had difficult times. Mentally I was not feeling well, and but I had a lot of negative energy also. Okay, but I decided what to do with it. That's how the book was.
Very good.
Okay, from that negative energy, I channel it in a different way, and the book is born. Other way, I didn't have extra time. I have only 24 hours like you only. Okay, not more than that. But I choose my time where to spend, where I want to spend. Because your time is most valuable to you, not to anyone else. So don't waste your time where it is not required. We waste our time a lot of times, a lot of unnecessary discussions, complainings. Okay, that's not going to help you. Use that time, use that energy, channel it to do something better with your time. Because if the time is gone, it is gone. It will not come back. Okay. Third thing is about feedback. In my 18 years of experience and 14 years here, I've seen this thing. People take feedback not the way they should. Feedback is a feedback, no matter who gives. But the direction or the things you take it from that, first check the credibility of that person who is giving you the feedback. You don't ask a shopkeeper to how to do a job, how to go on a job. So the credibility is most important. If someone is giving you direction, someone is giving you feedback, if they have not pushed their boundaries, it's better not to take it on that particular field. Okay. So feedback, take feedback, analyze it, and then improve. And feedback is feedback. Don't look at it, who is giving, what is giving, check the credibility. Can be your junior, can be your senior, can be your peers. It doesn't matter. On the closing note, the thing I stayed with me, I will tell you, is one of my team members said, Pushkar, the rating doesn't matter for me. The matter for me, what kind of people I'm working. So it showcases that, it's a legacy what you choose will be forward when you leave. When you leave an organization, when you retire something, so what people think about you, that's the legacy goal you should have. So be always, so that people can remember you, or think about it, what legacy you're going to have when you leave this organization, or when you leave the chair, when you leave the post. So, today, generally in the feedback or maybe this kind of farewell speech, people say, tell about good things, tell about bad things. I don't want that today. Okay? Because I want to live with that moment, and I want to remember all the journey we had, what we built together. Only the good things. Feedback, the life will tell me anyway. Okay, if I'm going good, yes, I'm doing good. If I'm doing bad, obviously, feedback is life will give. But the journey, what the experience I had it here, what the fun I had it here, what the learning I had it here. Because RNTPCI didn't give me just a career. In RNTPCI, the many milestones I had it, and it is much more than that. Thank you.